Joshua, stop and pop, no good. Nakuha ni Ramos to George. Mapapalaban ng black sheep dito. No good. Nice rebound by Boter. George, easy to. 0-2. Number 5, Miguel to Datiles. Pinasa kay Lawrence Kirby. No good. Rebound by Ramos.
Naku po, pipigit pa ba to? Ang ganda ng pasa. Sayang.
Nice rebound by Miguel. Wow. All two.
Nice. Sumabit pa. Borja. To Ramos. Ramos.
8 seconds. George. No good. Nakuha ni Cipriano. Nakuha ni Borja.
Naku po. Ang ganda ng pasa. Ramos. 2 points.
Score 2-4. Okay, 2 points. All 4.
Sayang.
Number 8, Datiles. Datiles, 2 points. 6-4.
Boter to Borja. To Ramos. Ang ganda. Ang ganda kaya. Ang ganda nga. 2 points by Boter.
All 6. Two points by Bautista. Okay, labas na kung tumawag. Gagug, no good. Rebound by Boter.
Grabe si Boter. 1 month sa ilalim.
No good by Bautista.
Palakas po ng tawag ha. Palakas.
Score all 6. Number 8 to Miguel. Sakto, Datiles. Nice steal ni Boter.
Boter to Borja. Lumipad. Boter. No good. Nakuha. Nakuha ni. Okay. Oy! Foul!
Oy! Nagulat si Boter. First time. Oh no! 8-6. Nagulat ko bilang pinasa.
Ramos. To George. To Ramos. Kumake ang ganda. Ako po, sayang.
Joshua. Ay, 2 points by Miguel. 10-6 lamang ng 4 ang solo joiners.
Leandro AC2. Kala nyo, ayaw nyo bantayan yun, ha? Last 2 minutes.
Miguel to Datiles. Datiles, 2 points. 12-8.
Nako, lumipat si Erboter. Grabe ka. 12-10.
Naku po, libre-libre. Ang ganda ng pagkakakita, no? 14-10.
Sayang.
Lumipad. Foul! Parang manok magsabog sa ere.
1 minute 5 seconds.
16-10.
George, 2 points. 16-12, last 45 seconds.
$33 seconds. Oy!
Binalik. $16-14.
$15 seconds. $18-14. Last 12 seconds. Nagulat. 8 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second. 1 second.
Okay. Change court dito bola, ha? For 2014.
Oh, Inya ball.
Bola ng Team Black Sheep. Wait lang po, ha? Wait lang.
Game. Three points by George. 17-20.
Parang sinukat. Two points. 17-22.
No good by George.
Okay, foul.
Two points by Ramos. 19-22.
Ten seconds. Nineteen 24.
Matatalo pa ba ang Black Sheep? Grabe, rebound by
Cipriano to Miguel. Miguel 2, Bautista 2 points. 19-26.
Uy! 2 points by George. 21-26.
Five seconds.
Natapik ba? Okay. Boter.
Okay, 2 points by Darciles. 21-28. Five minutes, 20 seconds.
Ramos. 10 seconds. Leandro, no good. Nakakuha ni George. Okay, step in. Sayang.
Darciles, stop and sayang. Four minutes, 30 seconds. 21-28. Miguel, pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Sir Leandro.
Leandro to Ramos. Ramos, no good.
Miguel. Darciles, no good. 3 minutes, 40 seconds.
Three points by George. 24-28, apat.
Okay, 2 points. 24-30.
George 3. 27-30, last 3 minutes. .54 seconds. 2 seconds na lang bago mag-backward kanina.
Okay, counted.
.29-32. 2 minutes 25.
Darciles, sayang. Ang ganda ng release. Kapos lang. 2 minutes, 5 seconds.
Jervy. Okay, fall down. Labas lang. Wala pang free throw. 1 minute 43 seconds. Eight seconds. Bad pass. Three. All 32. Okay, wait. Tumama sa paa dito, bola. Tumama eh. Kahit na. Tumama pa rin sa paa. Okay, 1 minute 11 seconds. Wow! Counted! 32-34. Foul, oh. 2 free throws for ha. 58.4. First shot, no good. 58.4. Last shot. Okay, good. Tumama ba? Wala. Wala eh, libre siya eh.
Wala basta.
Masyadong manipis pre.
Silang.
36 seconds, 10 to shoot. Foul ba? Wait lang, labas lang muna. Masyado rin yun eh. Dito, labas lang. Inyo bola, Buter. 7 seconds ha, 7 seconds. "24 seconds. 10 to shoot. All 34. Okay, time out. Time out now, time out. 16.7. Advance sila, may 2.7 pa. Difference sa shot clock. 16.7. 14 to shoot. Pag intentional kayo nagpasabit, ay hindi natin tatanggapin yun, ha? Hoy! Nadali. Good lang! Walang free throw dito! Counted, pre! Pero wala! Nakaayos lang eh, gumanong ka lang eh, sabay ginanon mo eh. O, kumontak lang eh, palabas doon, timeout pa kayo ulit. Ha? Counted yun! Counted, pero walang free throw. Counted yun. Okay, wait lang. Pa-timeout kayo. Lamang lang ng dalawa. Lamang lang ng dalawa. 36-34. Advance yan, wala nang timeout ha. 12.5 seconds. 12.5. Okay, same ball, same ball. 11.8. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, same ball. Same ball. 4.3. 4.3. 4.3. Okay, wait. Okay, game. 2 seconds. Okay. Malinis yung tirang yun, ha? 36-34.